Now let's continue our learning today. We want to talk about careers in cybersecurity today. So if you want to learn about the different careers in cybersecurity, this class is for you. The introduction part, if you want a career in cybersecurity, explore what could look like for you. Cybersecurity has many career paths from breaking into system offensive security to defending organizations from attacking that's offensive security. You don't need a specific background to start. If you enjoy solving problems, being curious, and understanding how things work, you'll likely find a role that fits you. Why do you need to get a career in cybersecurity? It is in high demand. We have over 3.5 million on field roles. It has strong salaries, competitive pay, even at entry level. It had, we have to be constantly learning. The field evolves fast. Are you ready to learn more about some of the leading roles involved in cybersecurity? Let's begin. How many on-field cyber positions are there? So this is the first question they're asking us. You can see 3.5 million, according to what TryHackMe put here. And that's that for that. Now, security analyst. If you want to become a security analyst, what you can do, it's this role involves being detail focused, curious and love puzzle. Security analysts are often referred to as the digital defender of an organization and sit on the blue team. These people monitor, investigate, and respond to activity taking place on an organization device and network. They play a significant role in an organization's defense. Using their skills, security analysts investigate and piece together potential security incidents known as alerts to decide if further action is needed and respond appropriately. An example of a potential security incident is an employee who works in London office who suddenly logs in from another country. An investigation is required to determine if this is legitimate. Not only that, but security analysts are one of the most in-demand roles within cybersecurity, offering a long and rewarding career path. A typical day as a security analyst involves monitoring activity taking place on the device and network of the organization, investigating unusual suspicious activity such as strange logging, piecing together, information to understand what has happened, when and how it happens, working with other teams to improve the organization defense. So the progression, security analyst is a broad entry into defensive security with many paths to specialize later. You can move into security into areas like threat hunting, incident response, and malware analysis. Incident responders handle active attacks, while malware analysts examine the tools and code used by attackers. Now, the question Try Acme is asking us is security analysts play a significant role in an organization's work. We call this, according to what we have in this significant role in an organization defense. So just put that defense there. The next one is security engineering. In this role, if you enjoy problem solving and building things at high level, security engineers build and maintain the systems and processes that protect an organization network and devices are known as the architect of cybersecurity. For example, a security engineer will be responsible for maintaining an intrusion detection system (IDS), which can be considered a security camera within an organization's digital environment. System Systems like this use mixture of rules and intelligence to detect and prevent attacks from occurring. A typical day as a security engineer involves you designing and maintaining security system, you keeping up to date with the latest and greatest hacker technique being used, you documenting processes and procedures, you assessing risk and making sure systems and applications are protected against vulnerability. Now, in the progression of security engineer is already a specialized defensive role, or you can go even deeper into areas like application security or cloud security. The skills you build here also transfer well into other fields, including offensive security. So the question they're asking us is, what is the name of the type of device that a security engineer would be responsible for maintaining? So if you check that here, It is called IDS. So this is the tool. This is a device which is intrusion detection system. Okay, let's move on. So if you so let's talk about penetration testing. This may align with you if you are a methodical and curious person. You may hear penetration testing referred to as pen testing or ethical hacking. A penetration tester's job is to check how secure a company's system and software are by, safely trying to break into them. They search for weakness and vulnerabilities and then test if those can be exploited, just like a real hacker would. But in a safe, controlled way, everything is done under an agreement between the organization and the pen tester. This process is known as an engagement. The result of this test help the company understand risk and address problem before real cyber criminals can exploit them. Now, a typical day as a penetration tester involves testing the security of computer system, network, and website, performing security assessment, audit, and analyzing security policies, analyzing the results and creating report, advising an organization on how to prevent the attack from occurring. Now, the progression of being a pen tester, a penetration testing is a strong starting point for an offensive security career. You can specialize in areas like network or web application testing, and later progress into red teaming, where you simulate full scale, long term attacks across an entire organization, sometimes even involving physical intrusion. Red teaming is a senior and advanced progression from pen testing. So the question they're asking us is, what process do penetration testers follow when testing an organization for weakness? So you just look at the process is known as what? Engagement process. Now let's go to the quiz they want us to do. Let's start from here. Now, with new technologies, what do you like? This is the question for you. So this one will just I will just pick things randomly. That's not so necessarily what I mean, but let's just pick things. So let's say if at the beginning I like testing things carefully, if I like watching how it works before making any change, if I like reading manual first, if I like jumping in and learning as I go, if I look, like looking for security, just let me just pick any randomly, right? So then the next one is when you hear about hackers in the news, what do you think? How, you think about how the hackers got in. You want to know why it wasn't stopped. You want to, you wish you could have stopped the attack. You want to be like the attacker. You wonder how the attack could have been stopped. Whatever. So you can just, you know, pick. I'm just picking randomly. It doesn't mean this is what I want, but this is just random pick. So when you check, do your own quiz, pick what you are interested in. So I'm most likely to buy a video game that what? Let me just say, let me explore, involve solving mystery, involve strategy and decision making, involve beating opponent, let me build things, whatever this is, let me explore, involve solving mystery, let me just involve strategy and decision making. So the computer has suddenly stopped working. If and what do? You try and create a problem to understand it, go straight to the logs to find out what happened, you jump in and stop the problem from spreading. You think about what else could break, you look at ways we could spot the problem sooner. So if you whatever, you go straight to the log, try to create. I would like to even create a problem to see what happens. So when working on a group project, you review your teamwork, you make sure things are on time, matches the given tasks, you create a plan and structure for the team, think ahead and spot potential problem. You make sure that team has everything they need. Whatever you pick here, it's your choice, right? So let's pick. So here they said your friend thinks their emails have been hacked. What are you supposed to do first? You try and figure out how account got in. You check for login attempts. You reset the account password. You think about. So whatever you pick here is just your choice, like I said. So with the things that I've been picking, the randomly picking. So this calls me a penetration tester, right? So you may hear penetration testing refers to as pen testing. So this one, so just because of the way I answered the quiz, it says I should go for, or I'm likely to be a penetration tester. And that is that for this class. And I've just checked this because I've done the quiz and it's saying congratulations for completing careers in cybersecurity. You already know the drill. You can share your progress with your people. Thank you for joining today's class.